Hey there, my name is Miss Guy, and I will be teaching your Sociology 213, which is Sociology of the Family course this summer. I'm looking forward to a great summer semester, and I hope that you're looking forward to this class. It is one of the most fascinating aspects of sociology. The family plays the biggest role in so many things in our society. So I hope that you'll have a chance to figure out how family does impact society in a positive and negative way. I hope you have a chance to analyze relationships. Maybe you'll be able to look at your own family and go, oh, okay, now I see that. And maybe, hopefully, you're going to be able to decide for yourself what you can do different in your own family or what you can plan to do different in your future family that is going to benefit you, the people in your family, and society as a whole. So let me first start by saying summer semester is half the time. So it is twice the work because you're having to double up each week. So I just want you to go ahead and kind of wrap your mind around some time each week that you can truly sit down and devote to coursework. It is going to be more work each week than it would be in a normal semester, but that's only because it is half the time. So I've done a few things this semester to try to accommodate that and help you get through all of the content but still have a manageable workload. So I hope you will see that as we move forward. This course will have Tuesday night deadlines. And I do that because most people do their work on the weekends, and then if I schedule in a few more days from there, maybe you will have time to get anything done that you didn't finish up over the weekend. I'm going to show you here what you will see in our Moodle course once classes open on Wednesday. So you will not be able to get in Moodle and see this until Wednesday once classes have begun, but I'm showing it to you now, hopefully to eliminate any stress or anxiety you might have moving into the first day of classes. This is our Moodle page, and you can rewatch this video if you just love to hear the sound of my extra country voice, or you can click on other things. Here's our course syllabus. Make sure that you spend some time reading through that, especially the late work policy. So there are certain aspects of coursework that have a 24-hour grace period as far as no penalty for late work, but there are some things that are not accepted late. So just make sure you're aware of that. We have a due dates document here that will outline for you every single due date that we have. There's the breakdown of grading. And then there's some helpful links here for you in the future. All right, so in order to get started in Sociology 213, you have to complete something called an enrollment verification activity. Most of you are going to be very familiar with this. You will open this section, and there are two things that fall under this. The first is the enrollment verification activity. So that's like 3 or 4 questions, sort of like, did you read the syllabus, yes or no type things. Answer those questions and that will be completed. Once you get to the end of that, it's going to prompt you to take the Nash Community College orientation course. So this is a little course that's just kind of help you figure out how to use Moodle. If you have already done this for another class, or you've done this for Nash in the fall or the spring, you can upload your same certificate here. You do not have to go back through that orientation. Once you are finished with the orientation, or once you have at least finished it once, you'll be able to access a certificate. That'll be like a Microsoft Word file, and you'll upload it in this link, and then the rest of the course will open up for you. That sounds kind of complicated. I promise you that it is not, but you can reach out to me if you have any questions, and I'll be super happy to help you through that process. Once you have done all of that, you're going to roll into session 1. Session 1 has its own video from me and its own email account, or its own email sent to you from me. All that will be sent out to you on Wednesday. So one thing that I do want to draw your attention to as you are preparing for the summer semester to start is time management. It's going to be the key to you making it through any summer class because it is twice the work in half the time. Also, please make sure that you reach out to me via email immediately if you have any questions or concerns. I can only help you if I know that you need help, but I'm always available through email. Don't worry about what time of day it is. Send me the email. I'll see it as soon as I check my email the very next time. Also, keep in mind that even though this is an online course, I am super happy to help you. So if you're on campus, I can meet with you and I can help you. Or if you are away from campus and you need to meet electronically, we can always do a Google Meet and I can see your screen and you can see mine and we can talk through whatever you have going on. So just know that I'm here to help you. I'm here to support you. And I hope you take a deep breath over the next few days and be prepared for Wednesday morning to roll around and summer classes to begin. If you have any questions that I haven't covered in this video, please be sure to send me an email and I'll be happy to help you. Y'all have a fantastic day.